Hey, yo l'équipe, ça dit quoi aujourd'hui? Nouvelle réaction, on va s'écouter un projet, le dernier projet qu'il a sorti en collab avec Black Soprano Family, Benny the Butcher. On est dessus, voilà le projet Summertime Butcher qui est sorti le 9 août. Et donc on va s'écouter ça maintenant. Benny qui est sur une très très bonne lancée sur cette année, hein. Clairement, là, Benny, il a sorti son projet Everybody Can Go en janvier, début d'année, janvier 2024. Franchement, toujours un des projets qui m'a le plus marqué cette année en rap US, hein, en vrai, hein. Benny, gros projet, presque un no skip en vrai. Je réécoute à l'heure actuelle presque tous les tracks. Pas souvent non plus, mais c'est toujours un plaisir de les écouter. Les feats sont respectés, les Lil Wayne, les Jadakiss, Jeezy, Peasy, même je crois qu'il y a aussi. Non, il y a beaucoup de monde sur le projet. Forcément un Westside Gun, un Conway. Mais en tout cas, gros projet. Je l'ai encore dans les écouteurs. Donc c'est que c'était une bonne sortie. Et maintenant, on va s'écouter un peu cette sortie estivale avec Black Soprano Family. J'ai l'impression que c'est, selon la description, enfin selon l'intro pour Harlem Zone, tout ça, Nichols, les producteurs, que Benny a aussi son label. Je sais pas s'il est hors de Griselda ou affilié à Griselda ou bref, voilà. C'est toujours compliqué ça. Mais en tout cas, petit label de Benny, Black Soprano Family, BSF. Voilà. On est prêt, je crois bien. On attend ça depuis que j'ai vu ça ce matin. J'ai vu ça ce matin en fait. Je me suis dit, mais je suis passé à côté d'une sortie comme ça. Ça va pas le faire. Ça va pas le faire. On va devoir se l'écouter. Ok. Bon. Benny. Premier track. One Verse Butch. Donc sûrement un couplet du Benny. Pour introduire tout ça, 10 titres, 24 minutes, on a 2 interludes, on a plusieurs feats, on les nominera au moment venu. Et donc on est parti. One Verse Butch, let's go.
Big Butch, the butcher coming, nigga.
Comme je l'ai dit au début, par Harlem Zone et Nichols.
Yo, tell me this. Why would y'all even assume that these niggas is a threat? Why would y'all even assume that these niggas is ready for this type of shit? The butcher coming, nigga. Yeah, Big Butchie. A lot of y'all don't got the right to speak. Your money short, your ice look weak. This a different type of beef. I sent hits twice this week. Trifling me, even gave my bitch a jack so my wife can eat. That's right, nigga. I really gave her smack, but ain't no Ike in me. The fighting me like Holyfield. The competition biting me. You know it's real. I fed niggas anyway. I guess that's life for me. That's life for me. And I really do this shit, and ain't no hype in me. You gotta think that through. The price for you ain't the price for me. See dope money, see legal cake, new money, and Rico cake. When I open up them bills, that shit look like Al Pacino face. Them 308 rifle shells, they move at a torpedo pace. The ops gotta relocate. We get that bitch too. You think she so safe? DOA, which gon' bring them racks to you like BOA? Ankle monitor. Furthest I could go, 100 feet away. But check it. Why wait for them strings to pay when I'm a triple beam away from locking everything away and throwing the keys away? That's gangster. Every ship need an anchor. Had a trap in South Buff. The licks came from Salamanca. No thank you, but I'm a soccer dad now. I told my baby call me Pops. I had to babysit these blocks. Push my Mercedes Benz and Crocs. One verse Butch, nigga. Let's go. One verse Butch, right? Black Soprano family. Niggas really don't deserve another verse, cause y'all
Voilà, petit son rapide pour introduire. Un petit couplet de Butch. Pas mal. Prochain track, The Most, avec ce piano en plus.
Took a whole lot.
The Most, avec. Il y a qui sur le track?
Don't believe everything you see.
Raymond, produit par
Funny, like Black
Snake.
Soprano family.
These are the real
It took a lot.
Let's go.
We doing better than we did last year. Let's go. I jumped on the road to riches and then the stress came. A good plug in this shit like an express lane. I'm talking press came. That's cool, but we don't do finesse games. We never had connects and correct change. Been the most consistent this decade. I'm a ball constricted to next made. Niggas choke when the best came. The life of Hefe. And let's say y'all niggas do make it this far. I pray it's more money and less fame. Target on my back. I'm living life in the public eye. Long as I shuck and jive, they don't give a fuck if I win or lose. Every hustler love to shine when it's summertime. With patience of a butterfly. Now tell me how the fuck could I hinder you? Sometimes every hero gotta make villain moves. These whips just rewards for what I motivate niggas through. Yeah, the pain and the passion, the game and the action. It's like a chain reaction. It's Butch.
Just to get here, drums in the front, not the rear. No, this life ain't sweet as it appears.
Ok, Raymond, c'est une chanteuse. C'est la meuf qu'on entend derrière.
We gotta do this shit the right way. It's only one way. I'm the head of the family on both sides. To rappers I co-sign. Even at home, I'm giving coach vibes. Every day I weigh the pros, cons, the lows, highs. I broke both knobs, both times, post-crime. And city saw it with his own eyes. That's my brother. If these niggas start talking, we gotta both hide. We ain't like most guys. I don't spend my summers dodging bullets, nah. I be on coastlines taking boat rides. While street niggas love for cash that strong. We go harder in the summer cause it don't last that long. They say I should be used to cold because in Buffalo it's snow, but nah, that ain't how it go. Y'all niggas had that wrong. It's the warm weather, see, we not used to that at all. So when it's hot, bodies drop and hoods clash at war. So much smoke in the town, you need a gas mask on. Let's talk about it, I get flashbacks, dog. I made it out though. Took a lot. Hey yo, Ray Moon, you know we the biggest. We just make it look good though. Summertime Butch. Black Soprano family. The biggest. Summer 2024. I want to dedicate this
En
to
vrai,
baby Ramon Carter.
ils ont raison de
Lost
l'appeler
his wife
comme
first
ça.
day
Hein.
of
De
summer.
toute façon,
Buffalo, New York.
ce genre de sonorité, voilà, c'est
I'ma
le
get your
Benny,
name tatted
le
on
Benny,
You gonna live forever,
ce
baby
genre
boy.
de vibe un peu chill, un peu posé,
Buffalo kids.
tranquille. Ça va pas être le Benny un peu hivernal, un peu vraiment Griselda, sur du boom bap bien grimy. Non. Prochain track,
Hey yo, Butch, it's
Sundress
hotter than
and
fish streets
sandal
outside, my
season.
boy. That means it's
Interlude.
sundress and sandal season. But some of these shorties is nastier than jail food. You know the hoes I'm talking about. The ones that be flying to Miami on Spirit with a buddy pass, and they be 5 deep piled up in one room at a La Quinta Inn. Them hoes don't be having nothing except for an ID and iPhone charger. But they done been to every brunch from Buffalo to Beverly Hills all summer, making sure they get a flick in front of that grass wall. Every 90-degree night has shorty in the club. Lace front smelling like hookah smoking Newports, and had it in so long, starting to look like a Tyler Perry wig. That's nasty work. She done came to the club with nothing but 15 bucks and the tags still on that Fashion Nova fit, hoping them Griselda niggas pull her into this section so she could take a boomerang of Benny to make her baby dad mad. Look, we still got 6 weeks till fall, and Mr. Pyrex man done told you already, everybody can't go, but don't worry, cause summertime Butch is coming, nigga.
let's go.
Summertime Butch.
Yeah.
Prochain track, Nightfall,
You niggas gonna have to apologize to me.
prod par Kino Beats et Rick
Yo,
Romero.
wise words from a hustler. Don't let no static stop your business. I came too far to fail. No, I can't crash about no niggas. What's sad is y'all won't get it until I'm lashing out with vengeance. And I got Tom and Jerry rappers playing cat and mouse with hitters. No axe high on religious. For every half
Ok,
I
ça
vow
a
forgiveness.
produit
It's like
ASAP
soul
Rocky.
food Sunday, how we pray, gather around them chickens. I know your type, your actions loud, but that come down to senses. When you know the ones who yapping loud to who actually about their business. Ain't no capping about no killings, talking, chatting around no bitches. Take these secrets to the grave. I ain't ratting, I'm not no witness. They want me acting out or backing down, but that just sounds ridiculous. I need the crib so big, a Michael Jackson crowd could feel it.
Summertime Butch.
You know this shit more than bitches and jewels. I'm actually round the realest. To multiply them stacks around, I travel towns to get it. No add the house, take that amount, subtract out all my feelings. A hint of this, a dash of clout, exactly how I did it. Say goodnight, let's say hello again to me. It's Mr. Landlord Butch, y'all niggas owe some rent to me. I got a bipolar bitch, she like to roll a vent to me. Told me her other nigga richer, but no offense to me, none taken. What's the difference from me and Kalahari? Cause Kentucky and Louisville, me and the feds got that kind of rivalry. Gangsters out your posse be trying to dodge me. Vacationing in Abu Dhabi, meditate on sand like I know karate. My nigga Jones told me he don't want to rap. The money don't come to nightfall. I said that hair wrong road we had ain't coming back. Money, this one drug lords, humble cat. Niggas who fumble packs, got money under wraps, till they stumble back. You heard? He's gonna come when that white fall. Tell him a hustler told you that. What you nigga?
Summertime.
Prochain son,
Yeah.
Summer
Sometimes I
24,
wonder if real
Ed Lover
motherfuckers
mix,
still exist.
Ed Lover.
Sometimes
Je
I
vais
look
sûrement
at
avoir un
what's
son
going on
sans lui du
and
coup.
I wonder
Prod par Nicholas
The real motherfuckers still
et
exist.
Harlem Zone.
And then I'm reminded that real motherfuckers do still exist. It's the butcher bitch.
Summertime.
Yeah. It's already full-blown summer now. The bitch is out, the numbers down. They feel like Thug already running trial, but back in my town it barely started, and the tension is strong. It's like something tell them to kill soon as the weather get warm. The worst case for a veteran is feds get involved. Nigga, I carry that weight with me like a medicine ball. It ain't no clouds and it's 90 outside. That mean it's grimy outside, but fuck it, you can still find me outside. Spend nights on that curb building. You gotta look at every law's true life, cause there's 2 L's and 2 I's in the word billion. 3 a.m. on that corner, breaking bread, I was patient. Fled so they don't snatch me up before they head to the station. Spared for 1 trap to 2, then I sever relations. Step on the dope, it get weaker like the stairs to the basement. No 50-50 splits won't get me rich, not at all, that's pennies. I've been winning chips, Elijah Vaughn, Kenny Smith. I came with a rocket, and if I aim it and pop it, then put it back, the barrel gon' melt the change in my pocket. The parallels of street life, you know the game's so strange. I got beef with a nigga who got the same first name, that ain't all. I had a plug who got the same birthday. Detectives pull his whip over, they gon' make first grade. It's time to pop out with it on. Pull a drop out, shut the block down, bring a watch out if you want. It's summer
Ce que c'est comme
2024,
instrument, c'est un
motherfuckers.
violon, violoncelle, je sais pas quoi.
These are the real Sopranos.
Ok, elles sont plutôt courts. On a eu qu'un seul couplet. Alors je sais pas du coup si c'est une autre prod peut-être, ou si c'est juste l'intro qui change par rapport au son de base. Ou en tout cas le son carré, bien aimé. Prochain track, Kitchen Table.
The microwave and the stove. What about
Kitchen Table.
Summertime.
Yo,
Let's go.
the kitchen
Track,
table with a
feat.
tape
Harry
was started.
Fraud.
It's on 2 shaky
Harry
legs.
Fraud, ah
The
oui.
newspaper gon' help you stable the
Genre
bottle.
de blase.
That's where a lot of plans was made. The kitchen table seen 1,000 grams of cane, 3 Thanksgivings, and 1,000 hands of
Non, c'est
spades.
producteur Harry Fraud,
1.6 on that
mais il est
bitch.
mentionné comme
Type
feat,
of shit
ok.
we all dreamed about. Coke resi on it like the table at Charlie Sheen house. My hood, you might walk on your porch and see all the fiends out. Rent cheap, in the bedroom small like a Barbie dream house. Streets talking, I'm
Vous
lit.
avez pas,
Just
vous avez
me
pas
and
son
my
blase.
dogs, no leash, collar,
Il y a des
fence,
gros
no
noms, il y a des
weak
gros noms.
bosses exist. Dust flying around when I broke pieces off of a brick. I scraped it up with a hotel key card from the Ritz. By 10 a.m., it's breakfast on the
piano.
table. But before I see noon, it's extras from work I stretched on the table. By 3 o'clock, it's a check on the table. By 4:30, they doing homework on it. Not knowing what was just on the table. That shaky kitchen table. Yeah. That shaky kitchen table. That shaky kitchen table. That shaky kitchen table.
Whole generation of motherfuckers, you know what I mean? Been selling dope ever since I was born, way before I was even born. Like 25 years deep in the dope game, you know what I mean? First time I ever called, I sold a nigga a knit or a dime.
Putain, un deuxième couplet là, ça aurait été lourd de ouf. Avec les voix en plus sur le second
Goddamn, I
couplet.
know what dope and all that was, you know what I mean? I was about 12 years old, sold a nigga a sack.
claque,
Just
frère,
was
bien
lined up.
That
compressé.
shaky kitchen table.
And he sitting by the door.
Let's go, let's
I just
go.
thought about this shit. I was like, damn, I'm in the same motherfucking position. Same motherfucking position.
Ok,
But I'm
après
not
on a une
gonna hold you.
interlude.
And I'm
Beach
dead
Tree.
serious. I know it's hot outside, but I think this heat is getting to niggas' heads because why is these niggas outside with crop tops on? Like, this shit is getting a little bit too far. We let them have the hookahs. We let them have the man purse. Shit, we even let them have each other. You know, y'all niggas love calling each other my heart and my love nowadays. Y'all can have it. But can we keep our crop tops? Y'all really taking it too far. Like, this shit has got to stop. Like, y'all even stole the small doggies from us. Niggas is running around with the little mini fake ugly Frenchies. Why y'all not walking around with Rottweilers no more and pit bulls? Bring real niggas back, you heard? This summer, we need to bring real niggas up. Turn this shit up.
Summertime, Butch.
Butch, I'm not gonna hold you. I'm putting the pressure on you. I need you to make an anthem and bring the real niggas back, you heard?
Summertime, Butch.
Hey, yo, it's still a lot to unpack.
These are the real sopranos.
Ok, The
Don't tell
Blue
me y'all think
Building,
y'all know everything about me
feat.
already.
Amber Simon.
Let's start right here, though.
C'est bien ce qui me
Us
semblait, ouais.
being the black
Une
sheep of the
chanteuse.
family.
Son nom, il me disait un
I
truc.
took the burdens my mother
Prod par
carried.
Street Runner et Tariq
Only
Azouz.
visited once to where my brother buried.
Tariq
Ain't no
Azouz.
surprise on my
Let's go.
talents was culinary. They say the sample don't fall too far from the beat, like you know the apple don't fall too far from the tree. How would I know? My biological pops, we ain't meet, that puzzled me. Nah, cause literally I was the missing piece. Walking up the block to see my older partners kick it. And then I would be influenced after watching niggas. So influenced that I seen the movie, and even though he died, I still wanted to be Kane after watching Menace. When it's in your veins, who can you blame? It's strange, they asking me my goals and I'm running out of shit to name. I just feel like after the Lord bless you, and you make it out in one piece, anything else is extra. The feds wanna check a possession charge on my record, cause outside of music, I made a killing like Phil Spector. If pressure make diamonds, well guess I'm a watch collector. Who the fuck I'm kidding, I'm really a watch collector.
Lord knows I got a fight in me. Now all these blessings falling down on me. Got a problem, take it up with the team. What don't concern them, don't concern me. My biggest haters say they proud of me. Try to lock me out, I found the key. I'm the blueprint, now they following me. The mob is mobbing deep, that's all that I need. No.
You know the money won't never compare to love. I still keep a stick and pair of gloves like I'm Aaron Judge. I know y'all thought I was finished after they shot me. My ride since been godly, guess God rinsed my body in gold. Trolls tell me I got dissed by Cole. On my record, I'm like, is y'all slow? That's my nigga. We having hour-long conversations from home. I'm picking his brain on my way to the throne. I ain't no dumb nigga. I ain't get here focusing on figures alone. I play more of the distributor role. He told me, Butch, if you see yourself winning, you got a vision to throne. I'm doing freestyle, spitting in cold. That's real shit. I went to Switzerland, Rolex shopping. Fucked around and bought a Hublot. You know, life's funny like that. We say Sopranos cause we really mean a mob. And besides all that family shit, I'm really getting money like that.
Lord
Butch.
knows I got a fight in me. Now all the blessings falling down on me. Got a problem, take it up with the team. What don't concern them, don't concern me. My biggest haters say they proud of me. Try to lock me out, I found the key. I'm the blueprint, now
Dans
they
la voix.
following me. Long as we mobbing deep, that's all that I need. No. Summertime, Butch.
Pas mal. Non, franchement, ah, j'ai vu la petite line, je savais pas qu'il avait. Enfin, que des gens, des trolls un peu, ont un peu insinué qu'il avait été diss par J. Cole. Apparemment, tu vois, j'étais même pas au courant qu'il y avait eu cette histoire, ces rumeurs, tout ça. Apparemment, en 2022, J. Cole a sorti un track, John Peace KD. Et apparemment, ouais, il y a des fans qui ont cru que Cole avait diss Benny dans la track, dans la collab. Ah ok, c'est ok. Putain, oh là, je viens de voir un truc. Je viens de voir que John Peace KD était prod par Alchemist. Je pense qu'il va falloir react à ce projet parce que j'ai pas react à ce projet. Hein. Je n'ai pas écouté ce projet, justement. Sinon, ça m'aurait dit un truc, John Piscady, tu vois, si j'avais écouté le projet, le feat, tout ça, avec J. Cole. En plus, t'imagines, s'il aurait vraiment dit sur son propre track. Je sais plus c'est qui avait fait ça. Mais je crois qu'il y avait un Américain sur un track, sur un rappeur français. Je sais plus, il y avait eu un... Genre, ça l'avait 10, je sais plus c'était qui. Il y avait un rappeur US qui était venu sur un track FR, en feat. Et apparemment, je sais plus, il avait en quelque sorte 10... le rappeur avec lequel il avait invité, tu vois. Donc, mais là, il va falloir react à ce projet. Mais attends, mais j'ai react à ce projet. J'ai écouté ce projet. Bien sûr. C'est obligatoire. Bah oui, Tana Talk 4. En fait, quand j'ai vu la cover, j'ai déjà écouté ce projet. Mais ok, je m'en souvenais plus. J'avais plus ça en mémoire. Mais non, il y a des... Quel projet? De toute façon, Benny, là, depuis un moment, sur les derniers projets, bien les longs albums, les longs formats, c'est quelque chose. C'est comme en vrai, Conway, Westside, en vrai. Ils sortent des projets, franchement, c'est toujours excellent. C'est incroyable. Donc voilà, mais prod par Alchemist. Yes. Let's go. Mais du coup, Amber Simon, très chaud. Franchement, ça a fait le taf. J'ai eu un peu de mal, en fait, quand c'est rentré le premier refrain, quand il est arrivé, j'ai l'impression que il n'y avait pas eu de... Je sais pas, le découpage était un peu chelou, j'ai l'impression. Ça arrivait trop d'un coup. Trop direct. Mais en vrai, non, ça régale. On va s'enchaîner directement. Franchement. Et puis la prod de Tariq Azouz, juste avant. La prod de Tariq Azouz. Pete Pipe, tout ça. Franchement, c'était vraiment beau. Street Runner. Street Runner, quand même, qui est sur... ça a produit du Bad Guy d'Eminem. God Did avec DJ Khaled. Westside Boogie aussi. Westside Boogie, il faut que je me mette dedans. Je suis pas encore dedans. Mais il faut que je me mette dedans. Clairement. J'en ai entendu que du bien. Je l'ai déjà entendu sur des sons avec Westside ou des trucs comme ça. Mais en tout cas, c'est très 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 sérieux. On va s'enchaîner directement. Prochain track, The Warehouse 3. Ce qui insinue des 1 et des 2. J'ai vu, enfin je sais déjà qu'il y a des 1 et des 2 parce que j'ai vu dans un autre projet, je sais plus exactement, mais sorti en 2023 ou 2022, 2023 je crois, de pareil, Black Soprano Family. Il y avait le 1 et le 2 qui suivaient dans le même projet. Mais j'irai peut-être l'écouter après de mon côté. Mais donc on va s'enchaîner directement. 9e track, avant-dernier. The Warehouse 3, Big Hyde, El Camino.
I hope this rap shit is the answer, cause I got so many questions. Changing channels, smoking pressure as I channel my aggression. This OG called me humble, I said nah, big bro, I'm thankful. Some niggas never make it out their city, it's so hateful. Lost my nigga Brick sometime around the end of April. My brother need 100 on the phone, but he could wait though. My patience getting thinner than the fabric on a raincoat. I turned you out with Pujols, now you playing with the Angels. I take losses that would devastate, shit don't really get to me. You wanna know my mood or how I'm feeling, niggas sit with me. Niggas pillow talking with the bitches, always sipping tea. That bitch gon' be your downfall while you out here thinking differently. Off the rip, it was a 50 piece. Never would they cripple me. Last year I hit it with the formula and triple D. I ain't really fucking with you niggas like it's bigotry. The second one was classic, wait until I drop the trilogy. It's Ricky
now I be having squares for him. I used to sell it to him hard. Finally signed a record deal. Who knew the devil was a star? I done finally found a hustle. I ain't gotta sell to him with jaws. I made 80% legal cause I still be breaking laws. If they run up in this bitch, man, they gon' nail me to the cross. If they run up in my crib and go too far, they might get lost. I'ma catch you on the camera, got some brand new shit to start. Gotta look good on camera, we told Cannon in the mall. Nigga, It's BSF, so you better be on your best. I could easily go pop me a perk and be on your steps. We all we got, but it's more like we all that's left to the real. These niggas hate through whatever, it's becoming a skill. Why niggas making these threats, I hope they making they will. Be smart, nigga. Stay in the rap before it's trash chain. Excuse my absence from the rap game, I was in the crack game. Question, do our rappers sell better? Plastic bag over the gun, that's a homemade shell catcher. Grease the homies J-Pay so that they jail better. As good as this bitch look, she should smell better. Got the kind of heart it take to face monsters. Punch Unc in the throat, he owe me $8. A wire, leave our fate bother. Free YSL, I hope we ain't the next crew that the Jakes conquer. Pretty sure your tail less gory. This Asheville nigga, a success story. White Jesus hanging, that's how you hide the wall safe. At trial with a bitch lawyer and we fucking on a court date. As men, we come in peace, but if it's beef, that's time a hawk steak. We do Porsche versus Ferrari like the Kentucky Derby horse race. No sleeping on an off day. Y'all made mistakes that the boss can't. The trap, it's hard to get me out that bitch like when a dog mate. Catch your homie in a lie, you gotta treat it like a heartbreak. G-Money lied to Nina, and don't forget Tony Cross Frank, them broke nigga excuses. I'm starting to get allergic. How niggas want me to catch, clean, cook the food and serve it. Shorty slid for a coat, that's all he wanted. I said you earned it. I heard he did another one while wearing it. I said I burn it. I treasure this AP, now wear it with my nuts swinging. Success might be different for you, depending on your upbringing. Sopranos don't explain shit. I gave y'all enough reasons. All summer 24, we seen a Cybertruck and Trump bleeding. BSF.
Summertime Butch.
Let's go, BSF.
These are the real Sopranos.
C'est justement Mouse Tarantino qui avait produit la partie 2 de The Warehouse.
Summertime Butch.
Prochain
These are
track,
the real
dernier,
Sopranos.
Ailleurs. Fit Lindsay Nix. Et prod par Elijah Hooks. Ok, en plus, Linda Nix est une artiste de
This that
Buffalo,
shit.
directement.
This that shit
Avec
DJ
New
Shay
York.
made me feel. This that shit he's
Salut
been
chez eux.
Everything I do is love.
Je pense que c'est une chanteuse du coup un peu.
You know,
Peut-être la meuf qu'on entend derrière,
I've been
ça
a
fait un
student
peu
of
un
this shit for
gospel,
so
un
long.
truc.
I'm the biggest in this shit right now.
Peut-être ça qu'a
It's
fait.
only right. It's only right. Yo, when the streets get a win, let's celebrate it. Hood smart, rich, melanated, and educated. I'm on a new level like a moving elevator. When I jumped in, I levitated like Elgin Baylor. Imagine I'm finding me. I'm somewhere I can find a freak. Ass so fat, I feel like James in a giant peach. Hesitant, strange, I questioned it, thinking like, why me? I got aim like a shooter and game like I'm Kyrie. And I can put you on some game that's been around for centuries. You see the same people on your way down eventually. I'll admit we been moving like they out to get me. I made that powder kangaroo jump like I'm out in Sydney. When they ask me how I feel, I tell them much better. I'ma be up level somewhere when the dust settles. This one for the crown. In a crowd, award shows, looking around, thinking, who the fuck I'ma pass now? I'm getting higher. It's the Butcher. You should know me by now. Black Soprano family. We only want to inspire you. We only want to take you higher. We only want to feed the streets.
C'est le son le plus long du projet.
Yeah,
Hein.
I mean, fuck with us.
4 minutes
Fuck with us.
23, putain.
Yeah.
Ça faisait un bail où on n'avait pas
Soon
entendu un
as you hear
solo.
it, these words will lift you in spirit. How many people changed the world with a mic and a book of lyrics? I left them pots unattended, I left my blocks in hysterics. And the hurt that I caused to my people was mine to wear it. I ain't always think higher, but more flames spark fire. Fires from my dog writing letters back from Oneida. Dope Ica, ghost write for a rapper and don't like it. No co-pilot in the spaceship I'm in or a co-signer. When you double back and do the unexpected, they so silent. They prey on you, but when you the aggressor, there's no violence. Tiger's a jumbo jet. Trust, that's a humble flex. Anybody that you put me in front of in trouble next. I'm a boss, so all of my suits be double breast. I feel like Chapo, no way out, so I'm building a tunnel next. Surrounded by y'all sheep, that don't make you lions. It only make you liars.
Let me take you higher.
Putain, pour finir le projet, plus sur ailleurs, sur vraiment aller plus haut quoi. T'as les passes là.
Summertime Butch.
Ah là là, et ça finit sur.
A window to look outside.
Ah là là, non, franchement. Bon projet, hein. Je sais pas si je le réécouterais, honnêtement, en vrai. Beaucoup. Mais de temps en temps, plus dans la période un peu estivale, il y a des sons un peu posés. En vrai, même, il y a des beaux sons. Avec des belles voix, tout ça, ça régale. Et même les sons plus boom bap, c'est très très chaud. Il y avait des gros producteurs, en plus des grosses prods hein, sur le projet. Hein. Franchement là, ça s'est régalé. De toute façon, toujours quand je lance un projet un peu US, je pense que quand même, au niveau des prods, c'est toujours fort. C'est toujours fort. Mais en tout cas, le projet, Summertime Butch, ça a régalé. Béni toujours, second projet de l'année pour l'instant. Et en plus, j'ai vu du coup, justement, sur la prod là, c'est Elijah Hooks. En prononçant son nom, je me suis dit, Elijah, ça, je l'ai déjà dit dans une vidéo, ou je l'ai déjà dit. Bon, la vidéo a été bloquée, donc personne ne l'a vue. Malheureusement, même quand j'ai contesté tout ça, vous connaissez la maison de disques, Aladinon, UMG, tout ça, on connaît. Hein. On commence à connaître. Mais du coup, Elijah Hooks, je l'avais déjà dit, tout ça sûrement, je pense. Je savais pas, mais gros producteurs, en tout cas, déjà, ça a produit, voilà, du coup, pour la vidéo que j'avais tournée de Conway, du dernier projet de Conway, Slain Face Killa, Milano Nights Party 1, incroyable son, je l'ai mis dans ma playlist pendant un petit moment, énorme, c'est lui qui était à la production, ça a produit du Armani César, Let's Go, Griselda, toujours, El Camino, du Nigo Louis sur West Side Gun, sur Hitler Wears a Mess 10, si je dis pas de conneries, c'est ce projet-là. Ah ouais, non, il avait juste appelé 10. Je crois. Ouais, c'est ça. Il avait juste appelé 10. En feat avec Westside Putty. Non, c'était... Franchement, la qualité de la production avec les voix derrière les... Et puis elle qui chante à la fin, enfin qui fait ses vocalises à la fin, tout ça, c'est très 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 chaud. En tout cas, le projet est validé, ça fait plaisir. Du coup, si vous avez kiffé, vous connaissez, un petit like, un commentaire, tout ça, s'il y a des trucs à dire, des trucs que j'ai pu, des erreurs que j'ai pu faire, ou même des recommandations, s'il y a des trucs à écouter, tout ça, je suis chaud. N'hésitez pas, abonnez-vous, ça va arriver sûrement. En plus, fin août, il y aura le Zushi Boys Volume 4, soyez là. Soyez là. parce que bon, je l'aurais en vinyle, j'ai réussi à le copier en vinyle, mais j'ai pas de lecteur vinyle. Aïe aïe aïe, j'ai pas le tourne-disque. Du coup, voilà, ça risque d'attendre un petit peu que ça sorte sur en version sur SoundCloud ou vous avez capté. Mais en tout cas, voilà, c'était tout pour moi. Moi, je vais vous dire à dans une prochaine vidéo. Sur ce, bye.